Welcome to a spirit animal message. And if tonight's your birthday, I would simply like to say happy birthday. And the first spirit animal I'd like to mention before pulling anything from the deck is axolotl. So anyone out there that resonates to axolotl, this message that I'm working on is for you. And following my short, I also load in an entire reading with a lot more, which will follow this message, and I will leave an emoji that will be able to help you link the short to the long form. So axolotl, it has this energy of duality, movement, life, ability to generate limbs and stay in a juvenile state. It has it is named after this Aztec god, axolotl, who adapted to avoid death. I don't know if it was a god or it was a man, a leader. Moth was also an energy that you might be connecting to spirits right now. Attracted to light, attracted to truth. You may be experiencing some form of spiritual liberation right now. Frog, prosperity, let go of the past and embrace change. Opportunities are close at hand. Hop into this new day with joy. Abundance and good fortune await you. Vibrancy, peacock. You were born to shine and inspire. Practice humility to avoid jealousy. Be grateful for life and more good things will come. Be true to yourself and recognize your brilliance. So, vibrancy, prosperity, spiritual liberation, life, adapting. Unicorn, infinite possibilities. You are the sovereign of the seen and unseen worlds. The magic of love surrounds you. Beauty transforms you. Listen to the spirits of light. Abandon the darkness. Go beyond the ordinary and become the legendary. So I think of this as your pineal gland. You're expanding.